That's horrifying.
Look how high it gets.
Yeah.
And he's now at this point in time, he's realizing like, oh shit, look, it gets over the top. It crests over the top of the fucking hill.
Yeah.
I mean, that's like 100 feet.
Yeah. That's insane. Yeah, you've seen that Perfect Storm, right?
But that's what happens at night.
Yeah.
When you're sitting there at night, you can't sleep because you're like, what am I doing? Why would I sleep here? This is so stupid.
It's weird how it flips like that.
Just all you have to do is just be real. Like in the day, you're not real. It's like, oh, the sun is giving me vitamin D. It's like, and at night, it's like, no. This is just water, an immense amount of water that no one is in control of.
Yeah.